Driving is a daily activity for many of us, but even experienced drivers can make mistakes that jeopardize safety. In this video, we'll highlight the top 5 driving faults you must avoid to stay safe on the road and protect yourself and others. Fault 1. Distracted driving. Using your phone, eating, or even adjusting the radio while driving takes your focus away from the road. Distracted driving is a leading cause of accidents worldwide. To avoid it, put your phone on silent or use hands-free devices only when necessary. Avoid multitasking while driving. Focus entirely on the road. Plan ahead to eliminate distractions, like setting your GPS before starting your trip. Fault 2. Tailgating. Following too closely behind another vehicle doesn't leave enough time to react if they suddenly stop. Tailgating can lead to dangerous rear-end collisions. To avoid it, maintain at least a 3-second gap between your car and the one in front. In bad weather or heavy traffic, increase this distance to ensure safety. Stay calm and resist the urge to pressure slower drivers by getting too close. Fault 3. Ignoring blind spots. Blind spots are areas around your car that your mirrors don't show. Failing to check blind spots when changing lanes or merging can lead to accidents. To avoid it, always glance over your shoulder to check blind spots before moving lanes. Adjust your mirrors properly to minimize blind spot areas. Stay aware of other drivers' blind spots, especially larger vehicles like trucks. Fault 4. Running traffic lights. Rushing through yellow lights or ignoring red ones is incredibly dangerous. This behavior not only risks collisions, but also endangers pedestrians and cyclists. To avoid it, slow down as you approach traffic lights to stop safely if they change. Never attempt to beat a yellow light. Treat it as a warning to slow down. Stay alert for pedestrians or vehicles entering intersections when lights change. Fault 5. Speeding in poor conditions. Driving too fast in rain, snow, or heavy fog reduces your ability to control the vehicle and increases stopping distances. To avoid it, adjust your speed according to weather and road conditions. Use headlights and fog lights when visibility is low. Maintain a steady speed to avoid sudden braking or acceleration on slippery roads. Avoiding these top 5 driving faults will make you a safer and more confident driver. Remember, safety starts with awareness and responsibility. Stay focused, drive defensively, and adjust to the conditions around you. Small changes in how you drive can make a big difference in keeping you and others safe. Drive smart, stay safe, and keep these tips in mind every time you hit the road.